Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What are the 10 foods highest in fiber? It leaves your stomach undigested and ends up in your colon, where it feeds friendly gut bacteria, leading to various health benefits. Certain types of fiber may also promote weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, and fight constipation. Here are top 10 high fiber foods. Number 1. Dried fruits. Dried fruits like figs, prunes, and dates can boost your fiber intake dramatically, and are recommended for those struggling with occasional constipation. The sugar called sorbitol, which naturally occurs in these fruits, can help your bowels and lead to more comfort. However, eating too many can lead to cramping or diarrhea, so try a small serving and see how you feel once you've digested them, before noshing on too many more. Number 2. Potatoes. Sweet potatoes, red potatoes, purple potatoes, and even the plain old white potato are all good sources of fiber. One small potato with skin can provide close to 3 grams of fiber. The veggie has a bad reputation for running in the wrong crowds, fries and chips, to name a few. However, when not fried in oil and slathered in salt, potatoes can provide many benefits. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts aren't just a great source of protein and healthy fats. Sunflower seeds and almonds each have more than 3 grams of fiber in a serving. They can help you reach the 25-gram intake of fiber recommended by the FDA for women, and 38-gram recommendation for men. Raw or dry roasted nuts are preferred over the pre-packaged variety. Even nut butters can pack a punch of fiber. Number 4. Beans. Lentils and other beans are an easy way to sneak fiber into your diet in soups, stews, and salads. Some beans, like edamame, are even a great fiber-filled snack. There are 9 grams of fiber in a half-cup serving of shelled edamame. A bonus? All of these provide a source of plant protein. Some bakers have even started including beans or bean flours in their baked goods, which research suggests can still make quality cakes. Number 5. Broccoli. This veggie can get pigeonholed as the fiber vegetable. Its cruciferous nature, meaning it's from the Brassica genus of plants, along with cauliflower, cabbage, and kale, makes it rich in many nutrients in addition to fiber. Studies have shown that broccoli's 5 grams of fiber per cup can positively support the bacteria in the gut, which may help your gut stay healthy and balanced. Number 6. Berries. Berries get a lot of attention for their antioxidants, but they're full of fiber. Just a cup of fresh blueberries can give you almost 4 grams of fiber, and there is nearly the same amount of fiber in a cup of frozen unsweetened blueberries. Blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries are also great sources of fiber. 8 Of course, one of the biggest benefits of berries is that they're naturally low in calories. Number 7. Avocados. Avocados pretty much go with everything: toast, salads, entrees, eggs, and while they're often recognized for their hefty dose of healthy fats, there are 10 grams of fiber in 1 cup of avocado. Number 8. Apples. That old saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away isn't necessarily true, according to research, but the fruit can boost your fiber intake. There are about 4 grams of fiber in an apple, depending on its size. And, of course, they're a nice and crunchy snack. Number 9. Popcorn. There's 1 gram of fiber in 1 cup of popcorn, and the snack is a whole grain that can satiate cravings with a hit of fiber. It's even been called the king of snack foods. Number 10. Whole grains. Good news for bread lovers. Real whole grains, found in 100% whole wheat bread, whole wheat pasta, brown rice, and oats, have fiber. One tip to watch out for. As required by the Food and Drug Administration, whole grains should be the first ingredient on a food package, in order for it to be considered a real whole grain. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.